Aloha everyone! Welcome to another tutorial, this time an easy one, beginner friendly, where we will give this table a modern boho look, leaving the top unpainted and the legs painted in black. The top had quite loads of scratches. This table wasn't just living her best life, so we sanded it to bare wood, first with an 80 grit, which is an abrasive sandpaper. Then we switch to a 320 grit, which will make the wood so smooth. The next step is cleaning this sweet table with white lightning, which is Dixie Belle's furniture cleaner, and an abrasive cloth. Then we rinse the table twice, only with water, to get rid of any leftover solution or dirt.
We let it dry for a few hours and then we apply Slick Stick. Slick Stick, it is an adhesion primer, great for shiny surfaces, glass, plastic, metal. It is a must-have product. We list it in this tutorial description if you wanna check it out.
Now let's paint the legs in black using Caviar from Dixie Belle Paint and synthetic brush. So I just took a small amount of paint so I won't create brush strokes and maybe drips coming out of those details. Anyway, I double check for the drips when I'm done with the first coat, but just picking up little paint will make it safer. Play it safe in this situation. I let the first coat dry for about 2 hours and now it's time to move working on the second coat.
We are so much in love with this top. That wood is perfect, so we will just protect it with 3 layers of gator hide, which has a shiny finish somewhere between gloss and satin, just perfect for this top. We seal the legs with 1 layer of gator hide for a tough protection, and then we applied 2 layers of satin clear coat to make the legs shine, but not as much as the gator hide finish does.
So this is the before look and this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, or it just inspired you in any way. And if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more furniture tutorials. See you next time. Bye!